Gruyères, a picturesque medieval town located in the heart of the Swiss Alps, is a destination that transports visitors to a bygone era of cobblestone streets, charming architecture, and the world-renowned cheese that bears its name. Nestled atop a hill with panoramic views of rolling hills and the distant peaks of the Alps, Gruyères offers a plethora of experiences that celebrate its history, culture, and culinary delights. The town's centerpiece is the Gruyères Castle, a well-preserved medieval fortress that stands as a testament to the region's heritage. As you wander through its turreted towers, courtyards, and halls adorned with period-appropriate furnishings, you'll be transported to a time of knights, nobles, and grand feasts. The castle's panoramic terrace offers stunning views of the surrounding landscapes, providing a picturesque backdrop for photographs. Gruyères is renowned for its production of the eponymous Gruyere cheese, and a visit to the La Maison du Gruyère is a must. This interactive dairy offers insights into the cheesemaking process, allowing visitors to observe how the famous cheese is crafted using traditional methods. Tastings of Gruyere cheese and other regional products provide a delectable experience for the senses. The town's cobbled streets are lined with charming boutiques, art galleries, and craft shops, showcasing local artisans' creations. Swiss chocolate, traditional crafts, and other souvenirs offer a piece of Gruyères to take home. Cultural experiences in Gruyères extend beyond the castle and cheese. The H.R. Giger Museum pays homage to the works of the renowned Swiss artist H.R. Giger, famous for his distinctive and surreal designs. The museum showcases a collection of his sculptures, paintings, and other works. Gruyères' enchanting setting is enhanced by its natural surroundings. The nearby rolling hills, meadows, and forests provide opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, cycling, and picnicking. The gentle landscapes and fresh alpine air make for a rejuvenating escape from urban life. Culinary indulgence is a hallmark of Gruyères. The town's restaurants, cafes, and Swiss chalet-style eateries serve up a delightful fusion of traditional Swiss cuisine and regional specialties. Fondue, raclette, and other cheese-based dishes provide a hearty and satisfying dining experience. Gruyères' annual events, such as the Gruyères Folk Music Festival and medieval-themed festivities, offer insights into the region's cultural traditions and provide immersive experiences for visitors. Whether you're enchanted by medieval history, savoring cheese and chocolate, immersing yourself in artistic expressions, exploring the outdoors, or simply basking in the charm of an idyllic Swiss village, a visit to Gruyères promises an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Switzerland's heritage, culinary prowess, and natural beauty, leaving a lasting impression on all who venture into its captivating embrace.